Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you what to do if your MacBook Pro and Air keyboard and trackpad stop responding. So let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off sticky and slow keys. Open System Settings. Then go to Accessibility. Now select Keyboard under Motor section. Here make sure both sticky keys and slow keys are turned off. Solution 2. Check and restart modifier keys. Go to System Settings. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Keyboard. Now tap on Keyboard Shortcuts. Then choose Modifier Keys. Select Apple Internal Keyboard and reset the Modify key functions using the drop-down menu. Once done, click Done button and test your keyboard again. Solution 3. Restart your Mac. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Click the Apple logo at the top left corner. Then select Restart. Again tap on Restart to confirm your action. Once your Mac restart, test your keyboard again. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for Mac tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.